15 amazing facts about Nigeria. So welcome to my channel. This video is all about Nigeria and the amazing things that you may not know about Nigeria. And these facts are the reasons Nigeria is an amazing country. It is the reason why Pidgin English is cool. It is the reason why you have to learn about Nigeria. So let me show you 15 amazing facts about Nigeria. Number one, Nigeria has over 500 languages. Yes, we speak 500 different languages, meaning there are different tribes. So apart from the very popular ones like Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Tiv, Kanuri, Efik, Ibibio, there are so many other languages, many other tribes. This is one very unique thing about Nigeria and Nigerians. And this is why Pidgin English is the language that everybody can speak. So that is one thing about Nigeria that you may not know. 500 languages. Number two, Nollywood is the second largest film industry. Nigeria has a movie industry that is called Nollywood. It produces over 2,000 movies per year. Yes, it's bigger than Bollywood. It is almost as big as Hollywood. Alright, so Nollywood, Nigerian movie industry. Number three, Nigeria has the longest bridge in West Africa. It is in Lagos. It's called the 10th Mainland Bridge. It is 11.8 kilometers long. So that's some information about the longest bridge in West Africa in Lagos, and it's called the 10th Mainland Bridge. Number four, this is something you might know already. Nigeria is the most populous black nation. We have a population of over 220 million people. Nigeria is the most populous black nation on earth, and it is the seventh most populous nation in the world. So Nigeria is filled with people. 230 million people, 20 million people, and it is estimated that in a few years to come we'll have over 1 billion people. And right, so that is Nigeria for you, a very large nation filled with a lot of people. Number five, it is called the Giant of Africa. I'm sure you've heard that already. Nigeria has the largest economy, larger population, so many things. Nigeria has so many big things, many records, and that is why it is called the Giant of Africa. Number six, it is the home to the ancient Nok civilization. The Nok culture was thrived around 1000 BC to 300 AD. In Nigeria, it was the earliest known civilization in sub-Saharan Africa. It is famous for the terracotta sculptures. So Nigeria is the birthplace for the Nok culture that is over 1,000 years old, 1,000 years before Christ. That is an amazing piece of history to know about Nigeria. Number seven, Nigeria's national pledge was written by a 30-year-old. Her name is Felicia Adebola Adeyoyin, a university professor who wrote the national pledge in 1976, and it was adopted same year. So that's another amazing piece of history. Number eight, it has one of the fastest growing tech hubs in Africa. Because of our population, we have lots of amazing talent and people, and we have one of the fastest growing tech hubs, especially in Yaba, also known as Yabacon Valley. Alright, so we have lots of amazing, incredible talents, people who are learning and improving themselves and changing the world right here from Nigeria. So that is an amazing piece of information. Number nine, Nigeria has over 250 ethnic groups. Yes, this is why we have over 500 languages. 250 ethnic groups. So you have 230 people with over 500 languages and 250 ethnic groups. That's why Nigeria is so diverse. So if you meet a Nigerian, you are going to meet somebody who can speak a number of languages. This is why Pidgin English also is very, very important, so that people can actually speak to themselves and communicate properly. Alright, so that is an amazing piece of info. 250 ethnic groups. Number 10. The name Nigeria was coined by a British woman. Her name was Flora Shaw, later became Flora Lugard. She is a British journalist, coined the name in 1897, combining the Niger River and the area. Niger River and area. So Nigeria means Niger area, Niger River area, right? So that is how we got the name Nigeria. Is from the lady called Flora Shaw. Number 11. Nigeria has a floating slum that is in Makoko. It's a big slum with thousands of people, and it has been featured in all kinds of documentary. It is called Makoko. Alright, that is an amazing piece of information. Number 12. Wole Soyinka was the first African Nobel laureate in literature. So in 1986, Wole Soyinka, a Nigerian, became the first African to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. That is also an amazing piece of info. So we are the first in so many things, including being the first to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature. Number 13. Nigeria is the world's largest producer of cassava. Yes, cassava is a very staple meal in Nigeria, because that is how we get gari, that is how we get fufu, and so many other amazing meals. So cassava, we are the biggest, largest producers of cassava in the world. Number 14. The Oba of Benin Palace is centuries old. The Benin Kingdom was so advanced that Portuguese explorers in the 15th century compared Benin City to some European cities in structure and order. The Benin Empire, the Benin Palace, was an amazing and flourishing empire back in those days. And Portuguese explorers even compared it to cities in Europe. So that's an amazing piece of history to see how Nigeria and some different kingdoms in Nigeria were doing well even before the coming of the colonial masters. That's a nice piece of information. Number 15, last but not the least. Nigerian youths are driving global culture. Yes, from Afrobeat to music to entertainment to literature to fashion, you see Nigerians everywhere, and we're doing great. So these are 15 amazing facts about Nigeria. Which of these do you know? Which of this is new to you? Or is there something else that I missed that should have been here? Let me know in the comments, and I see you in my next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, no miss more. Like the video, subscribe. Tell me what you want make I do again. I will create another video for you. Bye bye.